Get out of the car, you're under arrest.
For what?
Get out of the car, you're under arrest.
What started as a routine traffic stop quickly turned into a tense confrontation that required officers to physically remove a driver from his SUV. On March 1st, police conducted a traffic stop in Joliet, Illinois, after spotting a driver accused of improper lane usage and improperly passing an emergency vehicle. Officers said the 38-year-old man refused to provide his driver's license and showed signs of possible alcohol impairment. When they informed him he was under arrest, he allegedly refused repeated commands to exit the vehicle, leading to a brief struggle as officers removed him from the SUV.
Hello, Officer back at Joliet Police Department. Reason why I stopped you is when I was back on that traffic stop on Plainfield Road, you went past me at 34 miles an hour, speed was 30. You got to slow down when there's a squad car with the right of the lights on. So improper passing emergency vehicle. Do you have your driver's license and insurance?
Call your superior.
Okay, I need your driver's license and insurance.
You can call him. You can get it.
Okay, it's not an option. I'm not going to call a supervisor.
It is an option because that's my.
Okay. How much alcohol have you drank tonight?
None.
You didn't drink any alcohol. Is there a reason why I get smell on your breath?
That's no.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license and insurance? Okay, I'm going to need your driver's license.
Call your superior.
I don't need to call my superior?
You have to.
I'm giving you a lawful order, okay?
I'm giving you an option.
Right, but I need you to give me your driver's license and insurance.
Call your
So
superior.
why did you say you was pulling them over again?
Because
Improper passing emergency vehicle.
Because of back there on Bunker Road, right?
Right. So you're slurring your speech as well. How much alcohol have you drank?
Call your officer.
On Plainfield Road?
Yes.
Call your superior.
It's everything. I'll take another unit. Subject's refusing that. Give me your...
Call your superior.
You want me to break your window out? Because you're about to be under arrest for obstructing. You need to get out of the vehicle.
Call your superior.
Get out of the vehicle.
No. Call your superior.
Okay, if you don't get out of the vehicle, you're going to place an arrest for obstructing. I told you the reason for the stop, and I'm telling you to get out of the vehicle now.
Call your superior.
All right, go and exit the vehicle.
Call your superior.
If you don't exit the vehicle, you're going to place an arrest for obstructing.
Call your superior. That's not a structure. It's a charge. That you're
Obstructing
giving
a peace officer,
It's
you're not
a
getting out of the
charge.
car.
That's what you give me a charge. So call your superior. It's just a charge that you're giving me.
That is a misdemeanor
But
offense.
no,
okay?
no. That's something.
So
you're
give me
giving
your driver's license.
No, call your superior.
Or get out of the
asking
vehicle.
Me,
Just give him your driver's
you call it. You're telling me to call. You telling me.
You
to
can
do
either
something.
give me your license or get out of the
It's in his
vehicle.
back pocket.
I'm gonna give it to you.
Okay.
Call your superior.
There's no requirement for me to call a superior.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
I'm
Under what?
Because I'm asking you to.
That's not a law.
No,
Okay.
no, what you're saying is not a law.
Okay. Give me your license, you're going to be placed on arrest.
Hey, place on your arrest.
Just give me your license. It's fine.
Call your superior. Call your superior.
Just give
Get out of the car.
No.
Get out of the car.
Call your superior.
Exit the vehicle.
No. Call your superior.
All right. If you don't exit the vehicle, you're going to be placed on arrest for obstructing.
It's not a obstructing what?
A peace officer.
No. Call your superior. Because it's just a charge. A charge can be in court of law. Call your superior.
And I'm investigating a DUI, so you need to get out of the
No,
vehicle.
you're not investigating no DUI.
I don't know how you think you're going to tell me what I am and I'm not doing, okay?
Because it's not.
So you need to exit the vehicle.
It's proven under court of law. You have to prove that I got a DUI. You have to prove
Right,
that.
but I'm investigating it,
You have to-
and you are detained right now. All right, exit the vehicle, you're going to be placed on arrest.
I'm not doing none of that.
All right, you're under arrest for obstructing a peace officer. Nope, you're under arrest for obstructing a peace officer. I told you to get out of the car.
Don't touch nothing. Don't touch nothing.
Get out of the car.
Don't touch nothing.
Get out of the car. You're under arrest. You are under arrest. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. You're under arrest.
For what?
Get out of the car. You're under arrest.
Superior.
Get out
Get out of the car. You're under arrest. 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 Get out. Get out of the car. You're under arrest. Get out of the car. You're under arrest. Get out.
But you don't have to touch him. Let him
Get out of the car. You're under arrest.
Get out.
Get out of the car. You're under arrest.
You do not have
Under arrest
to
for
touch him.
passing. Get out of the car.
No, we're not past that.
Why are you doing it?
Get out of the car. You're under arrest.
Get out.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car. You're under arrest. Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
For what?
For obstructing a peace officer.
What's your hands?
Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
What's your hands? Hell no.
Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
I'm not obstructing.
Dude, knock it off. Put your hands behind.
Call your superior.
Dude, get your hands behind your back. Get your hands behind your back.
33 is advisory from the east of Florida, or whatever it was they heard.
Sorry, I gotta come get the car.
Oh, you have any cups over here? We got the inside the back.
Hell no, this is bullshit. You put me over Where's the road? Oh, man, that's perfect. Y'all not gonna beat me up.
Josh, make sure this one's tight.
39.
Separate your feet. Up against the car, dude. So there, we got one for resisting and obstructing.
No, hell,
Stop it. Fuck up. Separate your feet.
okay, so what we doing?
You do this to yourself, dude.
No, what? No. Actually, what we doing?
You knock it off. You just listen for 5 minutes. We're trying to get this done.
What are we getting done though? This is bullshit. It's bullshit though. What we doing?
This pocket, this pocket's
What?
We're obstructing a peace officer.
That man.
Open that door. Get in the car now! Get in the car! Now!
Get in. I'm finna.
Get in the car! Now! We're done playing your games! Get in! You're acting like a child! Put your feet in! There we go! That's how we have to act to get you to comply? Is that what we have to act? Act like a kid! Act like an adult!
The man was charged with DUI, resisting and obstructing a peace officer, along with several traffic-related offenses. Police said his SUV was towed from the scene following the arrest. Authorities did not release any information regarding bond, bail, or his current custody status. Want to watch more videos like this one? Click the one on the screen now.